G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket here today. I'm just going to go through some of these dirt bike boots. I've just purchased a new pair of boots. They're the GAERNE SG12s compared to my old Fox Comp 5s. Now before I start, I'll just say these boots are a top grade, more expensive boot than the Fox 5 are more of an entry level boot. So just so that you know, they're not within the same category. If the Fox make a Fox Instinct, which is more to this level of boot, but if you're looking to upgrade boots or you're buying boots for the first time, I'll just go through some things with a better grade boot compared to a lower grade boot. For those who follow the channel will know I fell off the YZ not too long ago and I had a minor fracture in my foot. At the moment I have no toenail. I couldn't walk on my foot probably for a good 6 weeks, and even now still, and it's probably a good 8 weeks since I fell off. Now and again you still get a bit of a twinge in the foot, so I'll just go through this here boot, Comp 5 Fox. This here is your support for your ankle, quite poor, and also the toe. I'll come up close. The toe just pushes down. This is probably why I have no toenail at the moment. There's virtually no support here at all. So this is the Comp 5. It's more of an entry level boot. It's hard to compare it to a better grade boot, but we'll just show for those that are interested in being as safe as they can be. Firstly, on this boot, this toe does not push in at all. It must have a piece of steel or something in this. And the support, it's on a hinging system on the back, and you cannot go past this point, so that will protect your foot from overextending. And this way here, you get a little bit more, but it still goes to that point. And sideways, I'm really struggled to get that to go sideways. Now putting the boots on, I haven't actually ridden with the boots on yet, but when you put your feet in, you can really feel this ankle area supporting around that part of your ankle and foot very well. This one here is sort of more like a slipper, you can sort of slide around, but these ones here really grab well. Now when I was at the shop, I looked at the Alpine StarTech 10s, I looked at the Fox Instincts, which is the better one of these. There was an O'Neill, but it wasn't quite there up where these ones are. And I really gave them a good anchoring around and tried them all on and tried to really give them a bit of a torture test there at the shop, and I found that these GAERNE SG12s were definitely the most supportive and definitely had the least amount of flex or possibility of twisting your foot or things like that. So I went with these ones. Now they aren't cheap, but if you want to protect yourself, having mountains of time off of work with a broken foot or some kind of injury to your ankle, that's up to you to measure how much it will cost you to sit at home, whereas how much it will cost to buy a better grade boot and hopefully prevent those types of injuries. So I just thought I'd go through these boots today so that people that are looking to buy boots for the first time or looking to upgrade get a little bit of an indication from entry level to a more better boot. So thanks for watching.